Hello and welcome to Easter Stuff. Today we have something a little bit different. Happy New Year 2020. Yeah, it's been 2020 for 9 days already now. And don't worry, some Pokemon will be opened up, but yeah, Japan crate. Yeah, I only have YouTube. I'm not on Facebook or Twitter or whatnot. I'm a little bit old school, I guess, but anyway, let's get into this Japan crate and see what we have. Let's see. It's a legit opening, and I'm opening it for you. There we go. What we have? We have a Kit Kat, sweet potato. Okay. Let's see. Booklet. There's just let's see. Bonus Kit Kats. Yeah. Oh, so these sweet potato are bonus. Okay. Okay. Let's see. We have in premium box. Let's just get into it. What am I doing? Fettuccine gummy. Condimina. Okay, like different kind of Oh, there we have our Coca. Is this the? I'm actually not going to drink this. I'll give it to someone. So, okay, it's some kind of a, I don't know, ribbon version. Then we have a matcha popcorn. No, kombucha? Let's see. I can't read Japanese. Oh, a little small candy. These look tasty. Crisp, malt added. Okay. Sakupaki. So that looks like a kind of like a Kit Kat. Mochi choco. Oh, I love mochi, especially matcha mochi. Oh, what else? What else we have? What's this one? What? Oh, that's odd. So, it is some kind of a candy. I don't know how well we can focus on that. Not too well. Okay. Oh, this is this kind of jello things that you can choke on. Grape candy. How about this? Okay. We got Doraemon, and our what's that? Lucky Cat. Neko, something Neko. Ooh, Calvi. Too bad I don't have Japanese beer in the fridge. Actually, do I have beer in the fridge? Maybe something. And the party ice cream, Kit Kat. And last item is, yeah, some kind of a. Let me see. Oh, it's a marshmallow. And chocolate. Okay. So I had with something. Oh, cool box. There's all kinds of art inside. Yeah, I think I didn't win a special prize. That's alright. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'll order again. Don't know. I just kind of taste them. Oh yeah. There's one. We love you! At least somebody does. Okay. Well, at least I have some treats. I should be losing weight, but yep, whatever. I'll enjoy this in moderation, though. Let me see. Yeah. I want to try these. It's possible to reseal back, anyway. Nice. Yeah, so, sorry about the shakiness. This is kind of like, yeah, orange, but, tasty. Tasty, tasty. What's this? It's a hard candy. Oh, oh my. Oishi. Yeah, very fascinating video. Opening up a Japan crate, and you're not even seeing my face because I'm really shy. Oh, this is definitely a Japanese taste that I like a lot. Haven't been able to taste this in a long time. Yeah, it's kind of a grape. It's a taste that I've only tasted in Japanese streets, and I'm shaking. This whole camera setup is, fix it. Okay, one more, then we get to the Pokemon packs. Oh. Ah! Pretty good. I'll be tasting the other stuff on another video. Oh, a little bit different from my usual pack openings, but hey, as the channel name is Does Stuff. And let me show you my art again. Does Stuff, and the colors go off. Yeah, but let's resume to our more common thing that we do on this channel. Oh yes. Whoa, that's a whole lot of shakiness and out of focus. Let me try to be a bit more contained. Anyway, it's Thursday, 9th of January. I'm not seeing the color of the code card. We have a ponytail. What else we have coming up? Cosmic Eclipse. Yeah, Thursday, 9th of January 2020. Be sure to tune in again by Friday, 10th of January, because I have something you might enjoy, and I'll already say thanks to Poromagia, non-sponsored, but yeah, I bought something cool, very cool from that shop. So, Mallow and Lana's fishing rod, I got this as a reverse holo, Vaporeon, Ponyta, Sunkern, Cosmog, always so happy, Psyduck! Yeah, I always do that. Trapinch, Swirlix as reverse holo, is there something? Nah, it's Sylveon. Well, it's an evolution and psychic energy at the end. Intertwining Pokemon. Interesting. Alright. Swirlix is My taste buds, my mouth feels like Swirlix right now. Those sweets and stuff, and yeah, got this sugar rush. Anyway, let me see about booklet update. Of course, Coca-Cola has. And I'm shaking so much. So, you pull from here. And then I broke it. Okay, let's get to that. Yeah, needs too much finesse to do that. Oh yeah, the code card. So it was a green one. QLR. So last 3 digits QLR. Somebody was asking about a certain code, and I do apologize. I must have made a small mistake when I said the code. But as said, you can email me to easedoesstuff@gmail.com, and yeah, first come, first serve. But so far I have given out few codes, so try your luck. I'll let you know if I don't have any. Well, the excitement is over. Let's just check it. I'm going to say fire, even though this pack doesn't have fire. Absol, Lily, Rotom, Oddish, Rufflet, Piplup, Alolan Vulpix, Rockruff, Wailord as reverse holo. Well, it's a rare, and Golurk. Alright. So, Dark Energy. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll get to arranging these cards, and as said, please come back tomorrow about the same time or a little bit earlier. It's if you subscribe, then you'll know for sure when the video is up, and of course I'll add it to my playlist and blah blah blah, but I'm sure you'll like it. Okay, so 2LY are the last 3 digits. 2LY. Let me check. Yeah, LY. What's a good Pokemon starting with L? Lycanroc? Evil? Okay. I hope you got it. The code. Wishing you the best of luck in the online game. I should play it again, but I've been really focused on Binding of Isaac, Rebirth, Afterbirth DLC, and I unlocked the Keeper, and it's so challenging. I should upload a few videos of me playing it, but I always forgot to put the recording on. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to Ease the Stuff. I welcome you back again to my channel, and as always, I remind you, be excellent to each other.